whether it's entertaining each other, whether it's supporting each other in times of tragedy or loss. The journalist is there to help the community understand itself better by way of storytelling.
It's just wild to meet someone who, was breaking stories about Katrina and somebody who was, living in Northern Ireland during the IRA. So more than anything, I've just met a lot of people who have come from a lot of different corners of the globe.
The key to our educational approach is a careful blend of theory and practice. To learn journalism is to do journalism.
One way to get involved is to write for the IDS or sign up for IU student television. They get to go, even as freshmen and sophomores, right on the air that way.
One of the great things about getting a journalism education here in Franklin Hall is that you don't have to wait. As soon as you hit campus, you can join the Indiana Daily Student. You can join WIUX Radio. You can join IUS TV. You can take part in journalism with your fellow students. This hands-on approach is fundamental to the way that we teach journalism here at Indiana University.
So communication is a huge field, and there are a lot of different sectors in which you can engage with communication or create media of some sort. And journalism really provides an ethical way of entering storytelling. I am an assistant professor in the journalism unit, and I teach social media journalism and social media advocacy in journalism.
I'm actually a professor of professional practice this year. And I am also the founding director of what you're seeing behind us, which is the new Media School's new Michael I. Arnold Center for Investigative Journalism. We're going to teach the students how to be the next generation of investigative reporters.
I'm the advisor for the National Association of Black Journalists, and the group has been around at IU for almost a decade, I believe. The group is interested in Black representation, about Black media creation, and about the status of Black journalists in the mainstream media also, they're often underrepresented. And so NABJ is sort of a safe place for our students to sort of talk about these issues that evolve when it comes to race and the media.
After students complete their education here in Bloomington, they take up important jobs reporting and editing at newspapers, television stations, radio stations, magazines, and a host of web-based journalism outlets.
It's multi-platform journalism, and it will help you whether you're going into advertising or public relations or sports reporting, broadcasting, print reporting, magazine, or if you just go to work for a medical company and you say, hey, I can put that video together for your website. These are all skills that you can use.
We hold someone accountable. We investigate, we expose something, and we put it at someone's feet and say, why did you do this, or how are you going to fix this? That's what we do.
Students in journalism are interested in one thing: saving the world from itself.